Hello everyone and welcome to our session on the structure of ISO 22163. My name is Devarshika Nigam and today we will explore the detailed structure of ISO 22163, helping you understand its components and how they interrelate to form a comprehensive quality management system for the rail industry. ISO 22163 is structured to provide a systematic framework for quality management in the rail sector. Understanding this structure is crucial for effectively implementing and maintaining the standard within your organization. The standard is divided into several sections, each focusing on different aspects of quality management. Sections of ISO 22163. The main sections of ISO 22163 are scope, normative references, terms and definitions, context of the organization, leadership, planning, support, operation, performance, evaluation, improvement. Let's go through each of these sections in detail. Scope. The scope section defines the boundaries and applicability of the standard. It outlines what the standard covers and what it aims to achieve. This section helps organizations understand if ISO 22163 is relevant to their activities and operations within the rail industry. Normative references. The normative references section lists other documents that are indispensable for the application of ISO 22163. These references are integral to understanding and implementing the standard correctly. Terms and definitions. The terms and definitions section provides clear definitions of key terms used throughout the standard. This ensures that everyone involved in the implementation and maintenance of the quality management system has a common understanding of the terminology. Context of the organization. The context of the organization section requires organizations to understand their internal and external environments. This involves identifying relevant stakeholders, understanding their needs and expectations, and determining the scope of the quality management system. This section ensures that the QMS is tailored to the specific context of the organization. Leadership. The leadership section emphasizes the role of top management in establishing a quality management system. It includes requirements for demonstrating leadership and commitment, setting a quality policy, and defining roles, responsibilities, and authorities. Strong leadership is essential for the successful implementation of ISO 22163. Planning. The planning section focuses on risk-based thinking and setting quality objectives. Organizations must identify and address risks and opportunities and plan actions to achieve their quality objectives. This proactive approach helps in mitigating potential issues before they arise. Support. The support section covers the resources needed for the quality management system. This includes human resources, infrastructure, environment for the operation of processes, and documented information. Ensuring adequate support is crucial for the effective functioning of the QMS. Operation. The operations section addresses the core activities of the organization that impact product and service quality. It includes requirements for planning and controlling operations, managing customer requirements, design and development, control of externally provided processes, and production and service provision. This section ensures that operational processes are managed efficiently and effectively. Performance evaluation. The performance evaluation section requires organizations to monitor, measure, analyze, and evaluate their quality management system. It includes internal audits, management reviews, and performance indicators. Regular evaluation helps organizations ensure that their QMS remains effective and aligned with their objectives. Improvement. The improvement section focuses on continual improvement of the quality management system. It includes requirements for managing non-conformities, corrective actions, and ongoing improvement efforts. This ensures that organizations are always striving to enhance their processes and performance. In conclusion, the structure of ISO 22163 provides a comprehensive framework for quality management in the rail industry. Each section plays a vital role in ensuring that organization can consistently meet customer and regulatory requirements while driving continuous improvement. Understanding this structure is essential for effective implementation and maintenance of the standard. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions or need further clarification on the structure of ISO 22163, please feel free to ask. Let's continue our journey towards excellence in the rail industry through a deep understanding of this important standard. Thank you.